I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make a delicious puff pastry snowflake that is the perfect Christmas treat that everyone will love. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and line your baking sheet with some parchment paper. Now, grab your puff pastry and we are going to place it right on top of our parchment paper. And hopefully yours look a lot better than mine. For some reason, this one has a lot of cracks. But it's okay, this does not have to be perfect. Now grab a bowl and place it right in the center of this pastry. Grab a knife or a pizza cutter and cut around your bowl. Go ahead and remove your bowl. So your circle should look like this. Now we're going to do the same thing with our second sheet. Now it's time to spread our Nutella in the center of this circle. So it should look like this after you're done spreading the Nutella. Now grab your second pastry sheet with the flour facing down. Just like so. Now grab a tiny little bowl and we're going to place that right in the center of this circle. Holding the center of this bowl, go ahead and use a knife and we're going to cut through. Do the same for the other side. Flip it around. Do the same. Flip it and do the same. So it should look like this. Now, you should have 4 wedges on here, and we need a total of 16. I'm gonna cut through here. Now flip it, cut through here. So this is how it's looking. So now you should have 8. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab one of these and I'm going to cut right in the center. So it should look like this. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest. This is how it's looking after cutting the wedges. You should have a total of 16 wedges. Now you can go ahead and remove the glass that's in the center. Now it's time to twist the wedges toward each other. So we're going to grab these 2 right here. I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to twist 2 times. Inward. After you're done twisting, go ahead and pinch these 2 together. So it should look something like this. Now we're going to continue the same process. After you're done twisting, it should look like this. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Crack your egg into a bowl. And we're just making an egg wash. Go ahead and splash some water in there. A good whisk. And we're going to brush the center part. You do not need to brush the Nutella, so go in between if you can. After doing the egg wash, it should look like this. Go ahead and stick it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of baking, it should look like this. Now grab some powdered sugar and sprinkle on top. Hello guys, so my snowflake puff pastry is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? And I cannot wait to enjoy it. But first, as you can see, I have some mini Christmas trees. I did not throw away my leftover pastry sheets after cutting out the circles. I use a cookie cutter and it is super festive and cute. Now it's time to try the snowflake. That is so delicious. This is such a delicious treat for your family and friends. Go ahead and serve that with some hot chocolate or coffee. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.